Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make hair accessories organizer using an old hanger and Macrame. So let's start. First of all, we have to take an old hanger and paint it with a chalk paint or any other paint which is available with you. Next I'm going to do decoupage. So for that I'm using this tissue. This is a decoupage tissue and you have to take the first layer of it, and using a wet brush you can take out the patches like this. And now you have to use the Mod Podge, or you can also take a white glue mixed with little water, and after applying the layer you can apply this patch and again seal it with the Mod Podge. So like this we'll cover the entire hanger. Wherever you want you can paste these beautiful patches. Now to give a finishing touch I'm using a 3D cone liner, so it will give a 3D effect. I'm just putting some drops. So once the hanger is done, now we'll start doing the macrame. So I'm using some 4 colors of macrame cords. So according to how many accessories you have, you can take that much length of the cords and you can attach them to the hanger using lark's head knot. So now first two cords if we take, we are going to make a square knot out of it so that they get attached. I've put a other separate video also for the square knot. You can go and watch it. So in the same way we'll repeat this making square knots. In the next step we'll take the alternate cords. So if you have less accessories you can make it of a small length, or if you have more you can continue the process. So to the two extreme ends I am putting just 2 cords so that I can pin up the hairpins. So hair accessories hanger or organizer is ready. You can hang the hairbands and clips like this. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and leave a comment. Bye bye.